In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Drive download error. Now, there's multiple reasons why you could be getting this error, and some of the common errors include download fail, network error, forbidden, or stuck at 0%. So the first thing you always want to do as a rule of thumb is to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a good and stable internet connection, and you may need to restart your router or switch to another network in order to get better performance. What I also recommend that you guys do is temporarily disable any other web browser extensions that you have. So there's some extensions over here that interfere with downloads. You want to go ahead and just temporarily remove them or just unpin them, because some web browser extensions can actually prevent you from downloading stuff on Google Drive. And the same thing goes with for any antiviruses or ad blockers. So guys, if you have an antivirus, you may need to temporarily disable it in order to actually download whatever you're trying to download over on Google Drive. Obviously some antiviruses just prevent you from downloading anything entirely, and you really don't want that. But obviously you're free to turn them right back on once you went ahead and installed what you need. Another thing that is important is to make sure that you have enough storage on your device as well. If you're downloading like a really big file that's like hundreds of gigabytes, you really want to make sure you do have sufficient storage wherever you're trying to download it to. So again, just keep that in mind, because that does play another major factor. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.